guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami pencil stand. So, start off with a square paper. You're going to fold that paper in half. Crease vowel. Now you're going to open it up and you're going to take one end, fold it to the center of the crease we made. Crease vowel. Do it with the other side. And crease vowel on it too. Now you're going to open it up and take one corner and fold it to this crease. Take the other corner, fold it to this crease, and you're going to do it on this side. And this. Now you're going to fold this to the center line, crease it vowel, and you're going to fold this to the center line too. Now you're going to flip your paper over and you're going to fold it in half. You have to crease vowel on this. And open it up. You should have one crease in the center. Now, take one end and fold it to the center line we made. Do it with the other side too. Now, take one part and put it in to the other part. Put it in all the way and then you have something that looks like a 3D triangle. Now make 5 more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end, you should have 6 in total. Now, get your glue. And we're going to glue these together. So, take one of these triangles, apply glue over here on one side. Take another one and stick it together. You're going to do that with all the others. Once you have glued it, it will look like this. Now you're going to trace your stand and you will cut that shape out. It should look like this. Now take your paper and apply glue on it. Now take your stand, flip it over and take your paper and glue it to the stand. Now your pencil stand is ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.